YouTube dudes, be sure to like and subscribe. Get up in there. I got something to show you. Announcing Patreon. 3 videos up, over an hour of content. You got your nice Z50 video with a bunch of unseen stuff, like recent video we did, and it's still not on YouTube. It'll be going up sometime next week. There's a 250R video. Look at here, boys. I picked up these 250Rs yesterday. There's actually a bunch more that goes with it. Look at this, man. Look at y'all selves in here. Y'all see y'all selves in that? Come on now. So you guys, seriously, announcing the Patreon channel. They're going to be daily videos. You're going to get your Patreon daily. And we're talking $7 a month, dudes. And I know a lot of you guys are going to turn your nose up at that. 200 videos on YouTube, man. I've been putting out for a while. So if you guys appreciate me like I appreciate you, get up in there. $7 a month ain't that much. And you know I'm going to make it worth your while, dudes. Live videos. You're going to have live streams, after hours stuff where we're here working, and exclusive videos that aren't going on YouTube. Daily videos that aren't going on YouTube. YouTube guys, don't worry, you're still getting your content. It's still coming at you 2 times a week. And this 250R video is going to post on Monday. If you want to see it today, show me what it means to you guys. $7. You're going to get up in there, get exclusive content. There's 1, 2, 3 videos on Patreon already. And you guys get up in there, you can check them out. Make sure you get, there's at least an hour of content on there. 250R find. This don't look like much, but come here. They hit me up yesterday. I was on my way back from Oklahoma City buying them 250Rs. You know how I do it. And somebody said they had 4 ATC 70s and 2 TRX 70s. This is 87, dudes. She's all there. Look back here. Get an upskirt on her, Parker. Look at that. She's tight, dudes. There's really not even a... Guys, be serious with me now. Be serious with me. This is a little bit of a barn find. And yeah, it'll be available. But I gotta put stickers on it and clean it up first. And fucking let Parker loop it. You know Parker likes turning them over backwards. He ain't popping willies on this, guys. He pop willy on that everyday shit. Not on the rare stuff. 1987 4-tracks. 70, dude. Raw dogging, no suspension, just rigid. Nice. So you guys be sure and get up in there, get on the Patreon channel. A lot of this is going up. You'll be able to see updates on this tomorrow. This video with the 250Rs will be up Monday. And there's a Z50 video that I mentioned that's on the Patreon channel that'll be up next Friday. So I'm going to get ahead on videos for you guys, and I'm going to make sure that you don't miss any content. And if you want to support us, get up in that Patreon page and, man, early access. You're going to get the 250R video today. You're going to get a Z50 video today. You're going to get the Patreon daily. I know y'all trying to see what that Patreon daily is about. And the just another one tomorrow, dudes. And another one. And another one. CR500 video coming. Just got the tires in, fork seals. Here, show them the 500 real quick. All right, y'all. Whistling Diesel Challenge. Y'all seen him climbing up into the cab of that truck. Big Red style. Ready? Go. How long did it take me? That was like 1 second, right?
Yeah.
Nailed it. Like to see them do that. They can jump into a pond because they got that money, you know. Y'all help me out with that. I don't know, you know. Whistling Diesel, hey, if you want to tear some shit up, man, I'll probably donate like a bike to the cause. You got 100 of them, probably. But, or once I was thinking, whenever you tear up ATVs, I know you don't want junk all over the property, just call me up, man. Cash for ATVs, you know what I'm saying? We'll come pick it up. I don't want no busted pickup trucks you done sunk, but I can get the Big Red out and get her back in the commish. That ain't no problem. CR500, look at there. CR500 video, that's coming to you guys on Patreon first too. So get up in there, dudes. A lot of you guys I know already support us a lot. There's a little bit of honesty with the monetization process on YouTube. Boy, they're censoring. You get censored now. So I'm self-censoring myself on there. I got to tone it down to what's acceptable and what, you know, what's not going to hurt everybody's feelings. God, you know, you talk about some Hondas and you make a joke and everybody gets all pissed off and you can't say stuff on YouTube. So it's going to be a little bit different on Patreon. The live videos are going up. They're going to stay up. I'm not going to delete them like we do on YouTube. YouTube will probably still get the live stream, but it'll be deleted right afterwards. So if you miss it, you miss it. Guys, if you're watching this on YouTube, be sure and get up in there, like and subscribe. And lots more coming, man. I'm gonna keep going on YouTube hard. Believe that. And Patreon, we're just starting it up. It's gonna get y'all more videos in the long run anyways, because I got twice as much to do. You know what I'm saying? So appreciate you guys. So guys, be sure and like and subscribe. Get up in there if you want to see this stuff early. Hop up on Patreon, guys, and support me, man. I support y'all with technical support, give you guys a bunch of videos and stuff. And I take it seriously, so come on, get up in there. There's another 250R we're gonna get to dealing with. Gotta go pick up Parker's friend. I told him, asked him if his little butt wanted to try and drive a big 13-year-old. I started driving when I was about 4, but he's a little softer than I am, you know. Went back in the, you know, back in early 90s there. I was driving a stick when I was like 6 years old. It was a station wagon. It was embarrassing, but I'd get it out of there quick. I'd get it. They wouldn't see me for long in it. I'd be dipping dirt roads and orchards and all kinds of stuff like that. So you've driven a truck before.
Yeah.
Remember the Dodge Ram? Mm-hmm. I had a sweet Ram Charger. Parker ripped some donuts in about 5 years ago. Little 3, whatever kind of V8's in that little sumbitch. It was a Dodge Ram Charger Prospector, like the little single cab with the camper on it, man. Some butter leather interior. That thing was nice, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm. Back in your grandma and papa's.
Yeah, Parker went out there and did some donuts on it. The tire came off the bead. Like the back tire went flat and came off. I wish I had a video of that. All right, so the idles went back to normal. She's warmed up. Car's coming, so don't. No, keep going. This ain't a stop sign. Keep going. Easy, boy. The 5.0's got a lot of torque now. God, dude. Like, let off the throttle. You can coast all the way to his house. So he told you guys it wasn't too far. Why are you doing burnouts and shit in my pickup truck, man? I don't think I've ever even done a burnout in this truck.